Welcome back to an episode of Mechanical Nightmare.
This is a first for me. This customer, this truck, had the wrong battery, I suppose. So he put a socket between these two terminals, run this wire, and then drilled and tapped into the battery terminal instead of just getting the correct battery. That's crazy to me.
Hey John, turn on the lights for you.
Customer states the rear end has been making noise.
So I'm doing a starter on this truck tomorrow, and it's got ABS lights and stuff on. And I scan it for pre-scan tomorrow before I, unhook the battery and clear everything. I'll do the starter. Well, the truck is sitting still, and it thinks it's doing 1,500 miles an hour at the rear wheels. That's a Chrysler for you.
This engine came out of a Honda that was a fleet vehicle sold by the state of New York.
Wow,
it was sold in running condition with only 90,000 miles.
Awesome.
And when the mechanic got it, they found this mess all throughout the engine. It turns out the transmission cooler had rusted out, causing the trans fluid and engine coolant to mix. The mechanic ended up fixing it and drove it another 100,000 miles.
That's special.
Customer's Jeep came in for a thermostat code, but when the mechanic opened the hood, they found this absolute insanity. This customer got extremely lucky after the mechanic found the clutch splines like this.
Yeah, I don't think that's supposed to happen.
Even more surprising was that this water pump wasn't even leaking somehow. That air compressor hadn't been drained in quite some time, so take this as a reminder to drain yours. Customer states it won't go out of drive. Yup, that'll do it. Customer states, I may have screwed up. I was driving fast and now something's definitely broken. I honestly can't tell if this is a broken pulley or the engine has spun a bearing. Whatever it is, that noise is terrible. Customer states, water leaks in under heavy rain. This Honda came in with no coolant, so the mechanic filled it and quickly found this leak. Unfortunately for the customer, it might be a cracked head. Customer states, I opened my radiator cap and found this. If they are lucky, it's just sediment from not being flushed in a while. This Alfa Romeo's gearbox exploded while racing, which causes these massive cracks in the case. Thanks for watching. You can submit your own videos using the link below. Also remember to like and subscribe.